Hey, Asphalt contractor business owners. In this video, I will show you how to optimize your GBP profile. So, I divided uh, four four parts of one category for one category. So, the our title is the how to fully optimize your Asphalt GBP in 2025. So first part is laying and foundation. Claim and validate your GBP profile. Okay, so let's example of the claim and validate your GBP profile. What does mean by this? So if you have a GBP profile and uh, with no claim or not verified, look at this profile. This is a verified GBP profile. So if we see an example of not verified profile, maybe we are not found any of this. As you know, a verified GBP profile, Google is priority to for ranking. And okay, so for verified, so how you can verify a GBP profile? First of all, you have to accurate registration. Importance of accurate registration. So you must have to validated documents of GBP for running a business, and you should have to doing local citation and NAP consistency. So local citation means you have to listed your GBP profile or your business in your local area site, like as Yelp, uh, Facebook, and so on. And you must have to accurate all the business information for all site, and also leveraging local directories on social media.